be wondering, how do I download data from the California Immigrant Data Portal, and what kind of formats is it available in? My name is Arpita Sharma, and I am a data analyst here at the USC Equity Research Institute, and I'm here to help you answer that question. So follow me. So to download data for an indicator, you'll first be going to the Indicators tab that's located at the top of the page. And you're going to select from here. So you'll notice that we have 4 different sections. They are demographics, economic mobility, warmth of welcome, and civic participation. So we have indicators for all of these sections. And the one we're going to look at today is foreign born. So we're going to click on it, and it's going to take us to the foreign born indicator page. The first thing we'll notice is the graphic display on the page. And let's say we really want to download the data for this particular chart, which is looking at the percent of the foreign born in California between 1860 and 2021. To do that, we're going to click on the down arrow button located right below the title of the chart. And we're going to see 3 different options. So one is to download the image of this chart. The second option is to download a PowerPoint presentation with details about the chart. And the third option is to download an Excel sheet with the underlying data for the chart. Let's see what happens when we click on the download image button. So we'll see an image of the chart appears on a separate tab of our browser with the relevant details about the chart. A second option we have is to be able to download the underlying Excel data for the chart. So we would go ahead and click on the download button, and we notice that the Excel sheet with the data begins to download. We can go now to our download folder, and if we open the Excel sheet, we can see the underlying data for the chart. And you can see here that we have data for the state of California, which is the geography that we've selected, and the information on the number of the foreign born, as well as the percent of the foreign born and the relevant years of data that we're looking for. Now, if we want to download a PowerPoint presentation with this data, we can also do that. So we do this by clicking on the Download PowerPoint button located here, and we'll see that the set of slides for our presentation begins to download. And once it has downloaded, we can go back to our Downloads folder, and we'll notice that our presentation is downloaded, so we can click it and open it. So the first thing we'll notice when we open the slide deck is the title slide with the information about the California Immigrant Data Portal, as well as data about when the download happened, links to our site, information about the foreign born indicator, what it is and why it matters, as well as an image of the chart and relevant details about what the chart is showing. And finally, a little thank you from us. I hope this information was helpful, and for more tips on how you can utilize the California Immigrant Data Portal, check out our how-to section. If you have more specific questions about the California Immigrant Data Portal, email us at eri.dornsife.usc.edu. And be sure to check out the other indicators on the California Immigrant Data Portal.